Everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, October 19th, and I have a really fun set of fabric for you today, along with a kit that is part of this fabric collection. So let me show you the kit first. This is called Hampton Court. It's a lot of small piecing. Weekend strolls around Hampton Court Palace were the inspiration behind this collection, from the elaborate ironwork gates to the cobblestone paths. Details from the grasslands and wild meadows in the neighboring royal parks all feature in this collection. This is by Karen Lewis for Figo Fabrics, and Karen and Figo are actually doing a Block of the Month support group on Facebook. Not support group, but a group that will support you on Facebook, and it's considered a quilt along. So actually this is the kit for the project right here. And you can put 4 of those together and make a 72-inch square quilt if you want a really big version. And these are the fabrics that are featured in the project, and these are going to be just sold separately. So if you wanted to buy a backing, or if you like the fabric but don't necessarily like tiny piecing, then these are the fabrics from that collection. They are really interesting and unique. I love that she took some of the design elements from iron scroll work and things like that. So this is a really new and different colorway. I like that it seems really fresh and different, and that would obviously be the kind of modern take on the gardens around the area. And that comes in some fun colors too. Love that purple. Let's see. Then we have that great, this is really one of my favorites right now. This with royal blue, so pretty, so pretty. I think it's fun to almost like act like you've got your crayon box again and just try different colors together and see what you can find that you love. And then there's one of the final prints in the group. And one other thing about these smaller prints is they really help that piecing in the kit look more complicated than it is. So don't be too afraid of that piecing, because you're going to be centering up these designs, and it's going to look like you've done a lot more work. I love when that happens. Smarter, not harder, right? And then there's a nice taupey shade to calm everything down at the end. Then I have a couple new pre-cuts to share with you. And some of these will be with us at the Durham and Orange Guild's Quilt Show this weekend in Mebane. Hope to see you there. I will put a link in the description of this video to let you know where you can learn more about that quilt show. So the first one we have right here is a low volume design roll, and this is low volume design roll. This is by Free Spirit Fabrics. So I know I see some William Morris in there. I see some Tim Holtz in there. So it's going to be a variety of designers and some nice low volume options. Love all of that. Look at it that way. Oh, delicious. And then this is the latest pre-cut collection from Tula Pink. This is called Palms and Stripes Fat Quarter Bundle. So you see the palms there, and then there's also these great stripes. And there are a lot of free patterns featuring the palms and stripes. So I'll try to find a few and link them for you. But look how pretty that is. That's like your crayon box right there. So both of these are available in the shop and online, and they will also be at the Durham Orange Quilt Guild's show this weekend with our vendor booth. So I hope to see you there, and if not, I hope to see you here, and if not, I want you to wave to me online. Have a great afternoon. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.